Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D parallax photo effect by using CapCut app. Let's start. Once you have opened your CapCut app, tap on New Project. And then select your photos. Simply add it to your timeline. After adding your photos, tap on one of your photos and then tap on effect. Here you guys will find out style, tap on here. Then you guys will find out a lot of options. Scroll like this and then tap on motion. Here you guys can find out a lot of effects. If you scroll like this, then you guys will find out your 3D parallax photo effect. Tap on here and then it will be applied to your photo. Here you guys will find out a result like this. Now add this effect into all of your photos. After applying the effect, you guys will find out your photo like this and then watch your video. Now export this, tap on export. After exporting it, it will be saved to your device. Then watch your video. This is how it looks like after adding this 3D parallax photo effect. You guys will find out a great video with this effect. So this is how you guys can create a 3D parallax photo effect by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.